Okay, guys, Carty and Carty. Carty and Carty here, guys. With the final test of this trouble for you. So, guys, let us go ahead. This monstrous looking thing. And let me take a sip before I go. So now, guys, I have a bass app I downloaded, so I don't know if it's copyright or not, but if I download it, it shouldn't be. So
Bass.
let me turn this down. The mid.
In this song, there are 3 kinds of bass. 1,
That's 3 type of bass.
2,
I don't know if you guys can see what's going on here.
3. There are 3 kinds
That's
of
annoying.
bass.
This off. C line.
There are 3 kinds of bass.
Guys, this thing is the speaker is so before it's rocking over. This thing doesn't need a box. It doesn't need a box. Wow.
3.
Show you guys what's going on. This thing weighs like 80 some pounds, guys. I don't know.
Bass. 3.
I don't.
Bass. 1.
I love it. Aye. Let me turn it up a little. Oh, you can see that flexing right there.
Bass. 2.
And that's just one side of the voice card, guys.
In this tone,
Right, so I'm gonna turn it down, guys. Alright, and then let me wide down. Well, not really wide down. This is the Alright, guys. I'm gonna use both voice coil though, guys. Both voice coil. So that's right here. And I'm gonna come here. And then I'm going to do this. Oh yeah. Definitely. Yeah. More bass. That's what's going on. Oh yeah, you guys can see that flipping right there. Nice. It's like 20 hertz, guys.
there are 3 kinds of bass. There are 3 kinds of bass.
I'm hiding. Guys, I'm hiding from this. Turn up some more. Guys, put on an earphone and you'll hear everything. This is so solid.
Bass. 1.
Wow. Nice. Nice little flexing. Damn, that's like 10 right there. Jeez. Wow. Go back. Go back.
2, 3. 3.
He's messing
Bass.
the chair, guys. I'm not sure. Oh,
A3.
damn, it's going on the chair, right? I have to hold it to. Man, come on.
Base. 3.
Alright, guys, that's what we need for now.
Base.
Yeah, I'm gonna pick it up so you don't hear that noise. That's annoying like that, man.
Base. 2.
Heavy.
2. Do the strong. Base. 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 Do the strong. Base.
Come on, guys. Honestly, I think that is all for now. Yeah. Don't tell me, guys. You really, really, really would want to see more of that. Well, yeah, but whew, this thing is like, oh my god, man. Yeah. And this thing not even start warming or anything with the voice card. Whew. Guys, this is a really powerful sub, guys. This subwoofer is something else. Yep. It's really powerful. Man. And I'm not even giving it the fullness of what it should get. You can imagine how they play this. Alright, so this is one voice card right here. So, okay, so I'm gonna go do some non-copyright. I mean some copyright music tests after this, so you guys know how it goes. Whew. Guys, this thing sweat me from morning. I've been working this thing on this subwoofer from 8. I know it's almost 3 o'clock, so like clean it up and everything and let it set so I can get it to play for a while just to give it a test, guys. So you know what's going on. Man, yeah, it's heavy. Now I'm gonna have to put it back on the floor now. That's gonna be another challenge right now. Yeah, definitely. Let's see. So, guys, that's it. So we do subwoofer repair, guys. As I said, let me show you a voice coil and how. Well, let me show you. Let me show you, guys. I have all type of voice coil in case anybody needed voice coil. Na 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 na. As you see, guys, voice coil from 2-inch down there, and I have 4-inch right here, and up top I have like for mid-range and subwoofers and stuff like that. And these are for like mid-range 12-inch, some like the subwoofer name again, like M&M's and stuff like that. Yeah, I have a lot of jail audio right there on PV and stuff like that. Yeah, that one use the same. And these I have for some blast. No, not I don't remember the name of those speakers. I have even for EVs and all stuff like that, guys. So anything you guys want a voice card for and stuff like that, normally I have it. These are for tweeter voice call, stuff like that. Yeah, guys, and I have it. Stuff like that. I do make voice call, guys. I have material, everything. I have a stack of material back here where I make voice call. So yeah, what with voice call that I can't find an EB or any other way, I make it myself. By the way, and I wind it myself. But otherwise, and plus I have parts. If guys you have any parts that you can't get anywhere, I have some parts. If you can't wait for it to come on EBR, I have parts here. So you just contact me on Facebook and I'll ship them out to you, whatever I have. And guys, that's it for now, and that's it with this subwoofer repair right here. This monster speaker, guys. Yep. Yes, guys. So, Carti and Cardi, out for now, guys. See you on the next one. Enough respect. All right. Really appreciate you guys.